Welcome to my channel Super KBNs, powered by Super Teachers. Today we are going to cover the 6th chapter of class 4th English, that is the donkey. This is all about the affection between the child and an animal. You can see here even in this picture also the affection between the child. The child is feeding some corn to the donkey, and it's a very short and beautiful rhyme. So let's begin the chapter. Here you can see the donkey. If I had a donkey and he would not go, would I wallop him? No, no, no. Means the first stanza clearly say that if I had a donkey, the child is saying that if I had a donkey and he would not go. Suppose the child wants to take the donkey to somewhere else and the donkey is not moving. The donkey is not going at all. So would I wallop him? Wallop in the sense, would I hit him? Would I beat him? No, because the child loves the donkey so much. That's why the child is saying no, no, no. Means the child is not going to hit the donkey. In the next stanza, it is very much clear. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. I would find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he would be the best donkey that ever was born. Means I would find a little hay. Hay means here you can see some grass, dried grass, which is supposed to given to the animals, to the domestic animals for feeding purpose. So hay is the dried grass. I would find a little hay means the child will find or collect some little hay, some grass, some dried grass, and give him some corn. Corn is the favorite food of donkey. That's why the child is thinking of giving some corn to the donkey. The child is planning to give some hay and corn, means some grass and some corn, means some food items. The child is planning to give some food item to the donkey. After that, what will happen? Then he would be the best donkey. After giving some hay or some corn, he would be, means the donkey would be the best donkey that ever was born. Means after giving some hay and corn by the child, the donkey will be the best donkey in the world that was ever born. Means the child knows that if the child will give some food items to the donkey, he will follow all the orders of the child. Even he will move, he will go anywhere where the child wants the donkey to go. So this poem is written by Margaret S. Russell, and here are only two difficult words that I found for you. One is wallop. It is strike or hit very hard. Means if you will beat some animals or if you will beat something on hard surface, it is called wallop. And second word, it is hay. Already I have told you that grass that has been dried for use as fodder. Means the grass which is been dried, made dried to use as fodder for the animals. It is generally, you can see even here in this image, the animal is eating some hay. This is the dried grass. So this is called hay. So this was all for today's. Very soon we will meet with the next unit, and in case you have any doubts, you can visit our blog superkbns.blogspot.com, or you can write directly at ekm.kbs@gmail.com. So for the time, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.